Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. So far, we have worked through the numerous tutorials here in the Learn section of TinkerCAD. Once you got past the Create and Whole section, we just want to go and move down to find where the buildings are so that we can start to learn about architecture. And what I'd like to start with is build a Roman dome with columns. So click into this and you'll see that you'll be part of these tutorials here. And it says, in this project, you will learn how to build a column, then use that column to create an amazing Roman inspired dome. Okay, so I'm going to go and reset this one and just show you what it looks like. They work in the same way where you have to go and create one part and follow it through. But this time you're going to understand that architecture is essentially repeating patterns. So once we've made one, what we call a component, we can use that component to help us create something that is going to be rather beautiful, symmetrical, and architecturally beautiful. So this is what we're going to be making here. And then in the end, we go through, if I can just skip back out of this one, and show you how it looks with the columns and the domes. So we're going to go and make this. So you can see these are the columns, and you can see how we will go and repeat it in this circular fashion, and then go and create circles and spheres and semicircles so that we can create not only these hollows, that are these parts here, but also create a beautiful piece of architecture. So that's what we're aiming for. As always, good luck.